In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy text from an image. So right here, we have an image on a website, and obviously we can't copy it because it is an image. Now, there is a very simple and free tool we can use built into Windows that allows us to copy. That tool is the snipping tool. So if you go to search and you type in here, snipping tool, you'll have it on all Windows devices. Now, what we can do now is go new, make sure you're on the photo mode. Then go ahead and highlight the image you want to copy the text from. Then once you've highlighted it, go to the text options or the text actions here. So it's going to be this icon. What that will do is it will scan the image for any text. As you can see, now we've got the text and we can actually click copy all text, or you can copy and highlight the text that you want. So we can highlight it and we can click copy text. How cool is that? Now I'll just paste the text here in the URL box. Every minute is a chance to change the world. So that is how you can copy text from an image in Windows for free.